Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I have this Athr Beauty Desert Rose Lip and Cheek Oil Stain in the shade Harmony, which is part of my January 2023 Ipsy Glam Bag. So if you haven't seen that unboxing video yet, I have that up here on my YouTube channel. But I was excited to get this because I love the brand Athr Beauty. They have some awesome eyeshadow palettes, plus I love lip and cheek products, so I'm very excited to see how this is going to be. This is of course a sample size. The full size retails for $24. However, I was just perusing the Athr Beauty website and they are doing a sale on this product right now. I think it's maybe even half off, so a good deal going on this right now. It's also cruelty-free, vegan, and it has a lot of nourishing ingredients in it. Jojoba oil, cactus flower extract. So it's supposed to be hydrating and healing, which is something that my lips really need. So let's go ahead and start out with a swatch. This comes in a couple different shades. So let's see what this shade Harmony looks like. Whoa! That is a lot more pigmented than I was expecting. So it is a oil stain. I feel like the swatch is kind of looking like a lip gloss, but let's go ahead and start with the lips because my lips are so chapped right now. I just want to get some hydration on them. So let's see how this is. It's a really pretty color. On my lips here, I feel like it's like a very pigmented lip gloss. A little messy to apply since it is so pigmented, but it's feeling nice on my dry lips. And the color looks really pretty. It's more bold than I was expecting it to be, but it's not clinging to the dry patches. It looks pretty opaque, nice even color with that shine as well. So this is a really beautiful lip product. Very flattering on the lips, from the color to the shine, the hydration. It really makes the lips look good. I'm curious this stain aspect, so I want to do a kiss test, see how much transfer, but also see if it really did kind of stain the lips. It's actually not a ton of transfer. Yeah, it definitely made it fade a lot on the lips. Like blotting it on my hand there. I don't really think I'm left with like a lip stain though, color-wise. So this to me seems more of just like a very pigmented lip gloss, which I like on the lips, but has me feeling intimidated to put it on my cheek. But yeah, definitely not the quickest and easiest to reapply because I feel like I need to be very precise with it. But with this applicator, it's a little tricky. But okay, I'm excited to try it out on my cheeks, but I kind of struggle when I try blushes because this is my cheek without foundation. It's got a lot of redness in it. This is the cheek where I actually put foundation on it because I want to see how this blush is without foundation and on my redness versus with foundation. I also don't know that this is going to be my favorite shade of blush since it is a little bit more red. It's like more similar to the natural redness I already have in my cheeks. But, you know, I'm actually just going to take a little bit of my finger from the swatch on my hand here and let's see, we can test and see if there's any stain left behind. But just gonna dab it. Yeah, I like the texture. This shiny texture, it's blendable, but already I know it's like too red of a shade for my preference. And it seriously is just kind of looking like it's making the redness in my cheek look even worse. And since it is so pigmented as well, but the texture is really nice. A little is all you need. And for that stain, like, it actually didn't even really stain my hand. So I don't really find this to be a lip or like a stain at all. It doesn't really leave a color behind necessarily. But okay, now on the other cheek, just picking up a little bit there. Since it's an oil as well, I'm curious if it's gonna lift the foundation. But wow, look at that color. It is a little tricky to blend this oil formula because it's basically like a lip gloss. I wouldn't say it's even like a lip oil. It's like a lip gloss, so it has that little bit of stickiness, which is hard to blend on the face. But it kind of lifted the foundation a little bit, but not as much as I was expecting it to. But look at this shade on me. It's just not flattering for me. I like the shade on the lips, but the cheeks is just too much. The color and the pigment, it's difficult to pull off. So this product, it's okay. I'm not blown away by it. It's not my favorite Athr Beauty product. For a super pigmented, hydrating lip gloss, this is great. And for a cheek, like if you're okay with the color, and it's definitely better not on the foundation, it could work. But just for me, I know this is not a product that I love and that I'm going to be wearing very often, especially on the cheeks. I'll probably never wear it on my cheeks. But if you've tried this out, I'd be very curious to hear in the comments down below what you think of it, how it worked out for you, because everyone's different. Whether you've got dry lips or not, or your skin tone, this could work totally differently on other people. So thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.